everybody and welcome. Today's video we are going to be unboxing my first ever advent calendar. This is by Look Fantastic. Now you guys know I actually did an unboxing last week where I was talking about the whole advent calendars. I keep seeing these popping up and y'all were like, girl, people are already unboxing these on YouTube, like check it out. And I'm pretty excited about this. Look Fantastic actually saw my video where I was talking about advent calendars if you guys wanted to see them, and they said, do you mind if we send you our advent calendar? And I was like, okay. So that's what today's video is all about. You guys, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. I'm telling you guys, we embrace it. We sit back, relax, we unbox makeup, we review makeup, we plan makeup, and we remember it's only makeup. For me, this is my happy place, my safe place, my have a good time place. We keep all the negativity out because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. So stick around, subscribe. You never know what you're gonna get over here, but I can guarantee you're gonna get something darn near 5 to 8 times a week. So buckle up, sis. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so like I said, this is from Look Fantastic. This video is not sponsored. Like I said, they just saw my video and they were like, hey, we have one, we can send you it. You can unbox it if you want. And I was like, yeah. You guys, this thing is heavy. Like, it's a very, very heavy box. It's a very large box. It's a very pretty box, if I do say so myself. Now, I'm on their website and it says this box has worth over $640 worth of product in here. Now, I'm pretty excited about it. I know that Jari actually did an unboxing and I clicked her video and I started to watch, and then they said, hey, we're sending you one. I'm like, oh, I want it to be a surprise. So I literally have no idea what's in this box. I don't know if she got the same things, but I will list her video down below for you guys because like I said, it just popped up on my YouTube as I was doing my makeup. I have my iPad sitting here and I was like, no, I don't want to see. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'll link her down below so you guys can see as well. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's like a book. Oh my gosh, I almost hurt my neck. This is so heavy. It says, Look Fantastic this Christmas. Has a bunch of information. Look how nice. Let's see if I can stand up and show you guys. Like, this is crazy how nice this is. This would be an amazing gift. Okay, let's see everything that is in, ouch, this box. I just hurt my finger. Okay, so you have to go in order. As we see, each one is labeled. Ooh, this is gonna be tricky. What do we have in here? Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Okay, so the first one is actually wrapped up. So the first item in here, oh, it's a Natasha Denona Blush Glow Duo. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You guys know I have both of the Diamond Blush palettes. I love her blush. I love her highlight. Okay, let's go into number 2. Holy guacamole. What is 2? Ooh, we got a Luxie brush for our next item. Well, that's nice. This is really nice. You guys know I really enjoy Luxie brushes. Okay, cool. This is much easier. This is much better. Okay, so when we open it up, we've done 1, we've done 2. Where is 3? Right here. I mean, honestly, guys, look at these boxes. They're really, like, this is not chintzy. It comes wrapped up. And our next item is Molten Brown London Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath Shower Gel. This is, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. 4. Ooh, again, wrapped up in pink. Ooh, this is Rhodile Dragon Blood Cleansing Water, Micellar Water. How nice is that? Very, very nice. Let's go with day 5. Okay, day 5 is the cream eyeshadow in 532. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Very, very pretty. Don't know why I felt the need to smell it. Okay, day 6. Oh, okay, this is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Therapies Deep Conditioning Treatment. So again, nice full size that you are getting. Okay, where's day 7? I am loving this. Like I said, first time I've ever done an unboxing of an advent calendar. This is by Rin. So this is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. Wow. Again, very, very good size of these products, guys. Like I'm definitely seeing these are not chintzy products whatsoever. So you have 25 days of really nice things. So the next item is by Eve Loam Cleanser. Ooh, is this like a balm cleanser or cream? Let's see. Ooh, yes. Smells very natural. I love cleansing balms. You guys know I do the cleansing balm, then I go in with a cleanser, multi-step type of dealio. Let's go to day 9. I am so excited. Ooh, what are you? Ooh, we got an eye pencil. Ooh, and it's black. I like that. So this is by Diego Dalla Palma. So that is the next item. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. Day 10. Ooh, look at this. This is full size. The Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate Each Day Body Scrub Organic Rice and Cherry Blossom. So again, like I said, full size product. Camera, do your job. Full size product. Let's smell her. Oh, it's got a doohickey. I can't. Wow, I was not expecting that. So let's go to day 11. I love Tan Luxe. This is the Super Glow by Tan Luxe Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum. Little dropper. I actually have the Tan Luxe lotion on today and I flippin' love it. Day 12. Ooh, the Illamasqua. And it's a really pretty lipstick or cream lipstick or lip gloss. It's pretty. Day 13 is where? Here. Ooh, what are you? It's an eye mask. Very, very cute. And it's really, is this a silk one? It is, which means it's going to be very good for your hair, your skin, all of that. One of you guys actually told me that silk pillowcases or silk masks, what have you, are actually naturally antimicrobial or antibacterial or something. So I thought that was pretty cool. Like knowledge I did not know. So that is day 13. Let's move on to 14. This is so exciting. Like this is so exciting. Like I get excited because we do like 12 days of Christmas and like my husband puts things in my stocking every day and oh snap. Elemis Pro Collagen, big. We're not talking tiny, this is big. This is full flipping size. 1 fluid ounce. Elemis, expensive. Wow. Okay, moving on to day 15. It's down here. This is kind of heavy. Ooh, this is the Vitamin C Serum. It's fragrance-free, moisture boost. And it says it's vegan. Has a nice pump on it. This is really nice. These are really nice products. I'm so excited here. Day 16. Ooh, what are you? Again, full size, deep sleep body cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights, brighter mornings. Full size, 3.3 fluid ounces. Wow. Okay. Day 17. Ooh, it's in like glass. I'm getting so excited. Oh my gosh. I always wanted one of these. It feels expensive. I think this is. It's so expensive. I don't even know how to pronounce the brand. Here. Do you guys know the brand? You're probably saying it. Sorry guys. You guys know grammar's not my thing. Don't know. Is it for my eyes? Product of Hungry. Silver Skin Savior. Ooh, let's smell her. Oh. Oh, that smells so nice and natural. Ooh, I don't know what it is, but it feels really nice. Watch it be like soap. It is like super hydrating. Holy moly, I need that on my hands for sure. Okay, moving on. Day 18. We've made this video so long, but I'm so excited. Oh, this is by Sleek Makeup. This is a hydrating primer. Again, full size. This is like such an awesome box. Okay, day 19. Oh, Anastasia Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. So this looks like a deluxe sample size. Is that new? Did they just come out with that? I feel like maybe they did. Oh, I need to do my nails. Okay, day 20. Ooh, this is the Mio Clay Away Body Cleanser 2-in-1 Wash and Mask. Now, I actually remember getting this brand in one of our Look Fantastic subscriptions, and I really like it. I think it was like the body wash or something, or the body lotion. I don't remember what it was, but I know I liked it. So that is day 20. We have 5 more days to go. 21. We've got, oh, I don't know this one. Phil Orga Time Filter. It's by, so this is like a deluxe size sample. Day 22, we got, I was always that kid who like rips through all of my stuff because I get so excited. Oh, this is by Caudalie. This is their Vino Pure. This is really good. This is a really good brand. Really good brand. Ooh, so excited. Okay, 23. Day 23 is back up here. I can't get it out. Here we go. Oh, this is expensive. The Avient Rose Quartz Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Avocado Oil. I know this is really expensive because you guys had actually told me this brand was expensive, but yet really, 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 really good. So super excited about that. So then we need 24. Oh, we got another pencil of some kind. Oh, what is this? This is Lord & Berry Perfect Brow. This is in brunette. That is nice though. I actually, you know what? I use a really darker shade, so I bet I could get away with that. I have not heard of this, so this is nice. Okay, so let's go to the big one. I'm excited to try. I'm excited. Let's see what is in the 25th. Oh, it's heavy. Ooh, eSpa 24-hour balancing moisturizer, full size. Wow, this is exciting, guys. I think this is so exciting. Little information about how much this is. Right now, you can pre-order this box right here. So husbands, you might want to, girlfriends, boyfriends, you might want to consider this. It has 32 reviews, 5 stars. For me personally, I would definitely give this a 5-star. This is $110 for everything that you did see here. Now, like I said, Jari also did an unboxing over on her channel. I have not watched that yet, so I do not know if everything that I received, she received the same items, colors, what have you. So, like I said, I'm going to link her channel down below for you guys. Go over, check out her unboxing. But like I said, this is $640 worth of goodies for $110. To me, I did think everything was nice. We saw a lot of high-end, expensive products. So for me personally, I definitely feel like this box is worth the $110 with all the different varieties of brands that we did see in here. The sizes of everything, you're not getting like dinky little sizes in here. You're getting full-size products as well as very large deluxe size samples. Now, a little information that they did send me, if you guys are interested in signing up, they said if you do purchase using my link down below and sign up for a 3-month subscription, you will receive $20 off your advent calendar. So you're getting it for under $100, guys. So for me, even more, like this, I would definitely give this to like my mom or to Haley or what have you. I think that somebody would really love this box. I'm super excited about it. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever unboxed an advent calendar on our channel. And this box, I mean, you're setting some standards. Look fantastic. You are seriously setting some standards. This box, whoo, I'm excited. Let me know your thoughts down below. Did you guys enjoy this? I mean, literally, guys, what is that, like 90 bucks? Yeah, $90. What did you think? I mean, we're Elemis alone, let's just look up that collagen. Just so you guys know, the Elemis collagen alone is $89. Okay guys, so when you were thinking about prices, think of it this way. The Elemis Pro Collagen that we received in here, $89. All of this for 90 bucks. I'm okay with that. I think this is an amazing deal. So anyways guys, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Like I said, you will get a $20 off coupon if you do sign up for Look Fantastic, the 3-month subscription. Don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram. Thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending this advent calendar over to me. It made me so excited. Like, I think it was pretty awesome. So anyways guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! I love it so much. Ow! Shoot. Ow. I'm done. It beat me.